Here we go again.
Okay. So I
So
guess we'll start.
the prep
So
guide.
with part two,
Sorry, go ahead.
uh, so yeah, with part two of the preparation, just mainly has us making plots and graphs and
Yeah.
discussing the results. And
Yeah.
do you guys have any problems with that?
The looks of it, not really.
Okay. Um, cool. So then if that's it, then we'll just go ahead and start the quiz.
Okay.
Yeah, and just like a now, one just says comparative photos from your group. I don't know if we have to
Wait,
do it.
what?
Just one of the preparation questions is like compare with your group, but if we didn't have problems, I guess that doesn't really matter.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
All
I
right.
mean, we can't. Yeah, I mean, we can't really discuss specific answers with part two because it's mainly making graphs and stuff. And
Mhm.
Yeah.
so, I
Yeah.
mean, if we all made our graphs, then
Okay.
that's, yeah.
All
All
right.
right, so I'm starting quiz.
Let me go over here.
Turn the group quiz.
Okay. I hope I'm on the right. Yeah. Lesson 3 group quiz. All right. The first two questions are pretty easy.
Yeah. On rare occasions, a medical procedure is performed on a wrong body part of a patient's body or on the wrong patient. These are called wrong site or wrong patient mistakes. Such errors occur hundreds of times a year here in the United States. The medical community is trying to eliminate these errors but have had difficulty reducing their frequency. In a small percentage of these cases, a patient files a lawsuit against the hospital. Philip Stayhill, ET, whatever. I don't know. Do we have to read this? I guess, yeah. Okay, so the data, the file wrong site patient. I guess we click that.
Okay.
Does everybody see what I'm reading? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm just downloading it.
I've been required to bring the wrong site. Okay.
Let's try. I have to open it with a different one. Let's see here.
Okay. I have a Mac, so mine won't open it because I have to download some stuff. So if anybody else has it, that would be good.
Trying to open it. Let's just try a text editor. Yeah, that didn't work. Let's
Can,
see. Can
can
anyone open it?
The Excel file? Yeah.
Oh, it's an Excel file. Mine's an
no, it's a dot sav. So
yeah,
it's
it's a .sav file.
Um, that's weird
Can it open with
because
Excel?
the SA the SAV would be for SPSS, but I thought I saw something that was telling us to use Excel.
Yeah, and that's what I've been using. But here in the quiz, it says use the following information to answer question 4 and 6. And it,
Okay.
wrong site, wrong patient. Sav is what I'm looking
Yeah,
at.
that's what I'm trying to open right now.
Well, unless you have SPSS, it won't work.
Okay.
Luckily, I have SPSS because I needed it for my last class.
Okay.
Because when I saw that in the prep, it didn't say like what we required was just Excel. So I was like, do we have to download SPSS or?
Apparently.
Yeah, I don't know. It doesn't say that it's required in like the required materials for the course. So I don't know.
Hang on a sec, I'm opening it up. Hang on, give me 1 sec.
Yeah.
Okay, that didn't work.
Okay, so it says it's located in the data page on the online textbook. So,
Find the mean amount.
data page. Have you got it up yet on SPSS?
Yeah. Yeah, I have it. So let me. Hang on. I have a lot of different windows open right now.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see. What's it asking for?
I think the first one is mean.
Find the mean amount of hospitals that had to pay in wrong site lawsuits.
Okay.
So just taking the number that had that and
The mean
add them
number.
all up and divide it by
Round
how
the
many
answer
did.
to the nearest whole dollar.
Okay. So let's see here.
In the data page.
So the mean. Yeah, this isn't
Question, what program are we supposed to download again? What's it called?
SPS.
SPSS.
SPS?
SP as in Paul.
Okay.
You know, this is kind of really hard to do online with group.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is there a link in like iLearn that tells you where to go to download it?
Basically, it's that these files are located in the data page on the online textbook.
Oh, okay.
So that's what So I click data files on our online textbook, but there's like a huge page of files, so I don't know which one you're referring to.
Okay, so let's see. Round your answer to the nearest whole dollar. So the answer is 46,172.
46,000?
Yeah. So that's the mean amount hospitals had to pay in wrong site lawsuits.
46,000. What was the last part?
So it's 46,172.
172. Wow. For hospitals.
So 46172. That's the first answer.
Okay. Going to the data files.
And then the next one is 105,987.
Can you say all the numbers in a row? Just make
So
me.
105987.
Yeah, 105,987.
Find the nearest. The amount paid in wrong sites.
You know what? Hang on. Scratch. Those last two are wrong. My bad.
Okay.
Because I clicked on wrong patient, but it says to do wrong site.
Oh, okay.
So I'm rerunning this now with wrong site. And answer for number 3 is 80041.
Let's see, even worse.
Yeah.
You ready for the next one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Systemic deviation is that one.
About number 4 is 71404.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry about that. I just clicked on the wrong column in the SPSS file.
No, I feel bad. I wish I could help you, but I don't know how to look at these files.
Yes, seriously.
Yeah,
I've been trying to
honestly,
get it, but
like this is now the third time that I've had to use SPSS for a class, and it takes a long time to download. So yeah, trying to do it right now wouldn't even do much good. I didn't even think we'd need it tonight because I thought we were just using the Excel sheet, but
SPSS is a
I
free
guess not.
statistical software.
It's not free.
Oh, I'm just trying to figure out where to
It's
download it from.
I don't know. It was required
You
for
can.
course materials.
You might be able. Yeah, it might. I thought it was in the course materials.
Oh.
All right, but anyways.
We don't need it, I guess, for the next one, so.
Okay.
Alright, so number 5. Hepatic angiosarcoma
Those are rare.
is very unusual. Fatal. A study was conducted on 4 individuals with this illness data. Alright, what is the median survival time? So for this one, we don't need SPSS.
Yeah, isn't it just a regular algorithm?
Yeah, so it's an even number, so we're going to take the 2 middle numbers, and then we're just going to do the average of them, if you want to call it that.
Okay.
So it would go
So that
1, 3, 5, 19. So the 2 middle numbers are 3 and 5.
Okay. So 1, 3, 5, 19, yeah.
And so then 5 and 3 is 8, divided by 2 is 4.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so
Is that right, Dave?
Yeah, that's what I got.
okay.
Alright, so number 6. What's the standard deviation of the survival times? Do you remember how to find standard deviation again?
Yeah. So let's see, what is the standard deviation of the survival times? Give your answer in ones rounded to the nearest 10.
So we have, okay.
So we're just basically measuring the spread in between each distribution.
So 5, 19, 1, 3.
Yeah, I'm trying to. Are we supposed to do this? I presume then on Excel or something, or SPSS.
No, there's a formula.
Okay.
I'm trying to look for it. Hang on. Let me look up the formula real quick.
I see.
Look at that, standard deviation. So deviation.
So I looked it up. It's in 4 steps, right?
Yeah, so deviation, to find it, is just you get whatever value is minus the mean. So we've just got the mean to be 4. Oh, no, wait. We didn't. That was the median. So we have to find the mean of it first.
Okay.
Okay, so that's
28. 28.
7.
Median derp.
So that the mean is 7.
Yeah, the mean is, okay. So the number's 4, mean is 7. The standard deviation for each number
What do we do after that?
It's like you find the mean, and then for each number subtract the mean and square the result. Work out the mean of those square differences and take the square root of that, and you're done.
Okay.
7 minus. Easy. Here, let me get some paper. You're answering the nearest tenth. Okay. So we have 5, 19, 1, 3, 5, 19, 3. Okay, find the median or mean, which is 7. Okay.
So, yeah, and then we take away 7 from each individual interval.
Like 1 minus,
So,
you mean 1 minus 7, like negative, well, that's 5 actually.
yeah, so we take for each, we take 7 away from each interval. So 1 minus 7, or 7 minus 1, 7 minus 3, 7 minus 5, 7 minus 19.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then what do we do with all those numbers?
That's just one part. So the second column of the table, complete. Okay, 1 second.
Okay, so isn't it reverse though?
Net-
Like 5
oh,
minus 7? Oh wait, no, you're right, never mind. Yeah,
Yeah, I'm just looking at the one of the steps here. It says now add up the squared deviations from the mean.
so that's 9 minus 7, so it's 5 minus 7.
So basically, the way that we
Okay, so 5
yeah,
minus 7
so
squared is a number that we're supposed to get. Okay.
so what you do is you get. So let's just stick with 1, so we're on the same page. So 1 or 7 or 1 minus 7, and what the answer is 6,
Mm-hmm.
and then square your answer, which is 6, and that's the square deviation from the mean. That's what that part means.
Okay.
And because I'm just looking at the step-by-step here that he has given us.
Okay.
Wow, this is so complicated.
So if we're doing 5 minus 7, so 7
Oh.
so it'd be 2 squared, so it'd be just be 4 is the first number.
Hold on, I can do a screen share if you want, so everybody can see the formulas that I'm looking at.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then everybody see my screen? Hold on.
12 squared.
Can everyone see my screen?
Yeah.
So the first step is just what we did. That would be like the 7 minus 1 that we were talking about.
Okay. And the next one is 7 minus 1.
And then your answer of that, you square it.
Okay, so just do each number. So like 7 minus 5 is 2 squared, which is 4.
Okay.
Then we have 7 minus 1, which is 6, and square that, which is 36.
So so I'm looking at an example right now, and you subtract each number from the mean, but it's you have to do the absolute value, so they're all positives. And then you square each of those,
Mm-hmm.
and then you find the mean of those numbers.
Okay. Then you have 12, square that.
So so I got 39.5.
The last one is 3. So.
And you summed it up and everything? The sum of all your answers?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Squared is 16.
Okay.
So we have 4 plus 36 plus 144 plus 16.
This class is getting complicated fast.
So we have 200, okay. So after, let me just look at that.
This is like, can you see it here, what I'm sharing? This is basically everything you have to do.
Then work out the mean. So we're supposed to find the mean of every single one of them? Or find the mean of the numbers that we got? Okay.
And I have to go back and reread the question.
4. So 200 divided by 4. Mm-hmm.
So David, what did you say your answer was?
Which one?
My answer.
For
Hang on, let me.
$100. Okay, so we have 50.
So I got 50.
Yeah, that is. Well, after adding them all up, 200, and you got the mean is 200 divided by 4 is 50.
So 50 is, and that's rounded
And then
to
you
the
take the
nearest.
square root of 50?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you do.
Yeah, because I was just looking, I was like, how could the standard deviation be 50?
Yeah,
And
I was going to say there's no way it could be
Yeah,
50.
you have to take the square root of 50 now, and then that's a standard deviation, I believe.
Okay, so I got 7.1.
7.11 is the standard deviation. Yeah,
Because
that
you
would
round to the nearest.
7.1 is a standard deviation.
Yeah, because it would
Mhm.
deviate a lot if like the variable was between 5 and 19. Like that's a huge jump. So it would bring everything else up with it. That makes sense.
Is there a difference? Okay. So 7.1, that's what we'll be using.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, dude, just so you know, I'm on video call. So don't get naked.
You are really? Can they see me?
Yes, they can see you.
The funny part
Say-
is
say-
this is being broadcast
Say
live.
hello to my group.
What's up, group?
This is my
And
roommate.
say hello to the,
Hey.
and the professor who's going to be
You
watching.
You guys almost got a show, but I stopped him just in
No, I
time.
wasn't getting naked.
Oh my gosh. It's still going on YouTube, though.
Sorry for the bad news that you can see me naked.
My video call was minimized, so I didn't see you guys on my screen.
Oh,
That would have been awesome.
That would have been perfect.
Oh my gosh. That must have,
All right.
that would have spiked the video up a bit.
Yeah. I hope the teacher
What
sees this.
What is the first number?
Credit, man.
5-number summary of the wrong patient lawsuit data.
Where were we?
Let's go punch some
For 7.
Let's go shoot some hoops. Let's go throw the pigskin. Throw the pigskin. At a hoop. Wait. I was like, wait. Football or basketball?
Hey,
Basketball.
hang on.
So the 5-number.
So the 5-number summary, that begins with the minimum, I believe.
Yeah, so it's minimum first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, man. Is what it is.
That's right. It starts with the minimum, right?
Yeah, minimum.
Okay.
Okay.
Give your
So in the
number
wrong
rounded.
patient lawsuit data, what is the minimum? All right, so let me look at that real quick. Let's see. And it wants wrong patient. So I'll go to analyze, descriptive statistics. Minimum, maximum, okay. Here we go. Minimum is 0.
Okay, that would make
Okay.
sense. Give rounded to the nearest cent. 0.
It's still 0?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay.
All right.
Hmm.
What is the second number?
Which that actually
Alright.
makes sense because what's the minimum amount they're gonna get? They're gonna get nothing at all. So 0 would make
Mhm.
sense. They're not gonna get any money.
True. What is the second number
Alright.
in the 5-number summary for the wrong patient lawsuit?
Let me. What's the 5-number summary again? I know minimum and maximum are first and last.
Yeah, so it's minimum maximum. So it's minimum first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, maximum is what it is.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Hmm.
Yeah. Okay. So next is the first quartile. Let me run this again because I didn't include that in the last one. Descriptives. Let's see. Gonna have to. It's not showing up. Crap. So I might have to play with this for a second.
Yeah, you're good.
It's asking for wrong patient, right?
What is the second number and the 5 number summary for the wrong patient? Yeah, lost it.
Yeah. The wrong patient lawsuit data.
Okay. Found it.
Round to the nearest cent.
Alright, so the first quartile then would be 3,900.
Okay.
And
I presume
0
we shouldn't put in.
cents.
Oh, okay.
It's 0 cents, so I don't know if I should put
Yeah,
0.00.
Yeah,
or
that's
what?
I'm just gonna do it just in case.
Yeah.
Alright, I guess we should do that for number 7 as well.
0.00.
0. I guess.
Yeah, kind of hard. We're okay with 6 because they just wanted the nearest tenth, and that's not like a, it's not money, so I guess I don't need it.
Right, so it would just be 7.1.
Yeah, okay.
Well, 7.1.
Yeah, it's the square root of 50, remember?
Oh, okay. I thought we were talking about question 8 for a second.
No. Alright, so question 9 wants the fourth number, which would be the third quartile. Okay.
Yeah.
So it's 50436.50.
So 50436.50.
Yeah.
Okay.
5043 6.50.
All right. Number 10. What is the third quartile of the red box decision times?
Okay. What is the third quartile? So.
Give an estimated number. So what would you say that looks like? 190?
Yeah.
Yeah. You mean, okay, 190. That seems about approximate. An estimated number, okay. I hope he has like a right answer that's between like 185 and 190 or something.
Yeah, me too.
But I would say, yeah.
The 190, that's what we're doing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright, what is the longest observed time? Again, we have to estimate.
So like 710?
Yeah, 710.
710. Yeah, I would say so. 710 looks like our best shot.
Or, yeah. Alright, number 12. What is the value of the mean?
So based on the box plot, what is the value of the mean?
Well, I know the middle line is the median. So is that the same thing?
So the whole box plot from 0 to 800, or the actual...
I think it would be this cannot be determined.
Three?
I'd have to go with that.
Because yeah, I don't know if you can determine the mean from a box plot, because the box plot only shows certain quartiles.
Yeah. I'm going to share my screen just so that we're on this. So this is the diagram thing that I'm looking at. Can everyone see that?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so it doesn't say mean anywhere there. So I presume then we can only get the median.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I think so as well.
I assume so as well.
So this cannot be determined then. We all happy with that?
I'm happy with it.
I'm happy with it.
Okay, we're going to submit it. Is that the last one?
I believe so. I'll just double check them. Yeah, that's all of them.
These means are going to be harder, I feel like.
So do we have to save all responses? Okay. And submit quiz.
Okay, I'm going to submit mine right now.
All right, let's see what we have. So 80041 was... Oh, are you guys in?
Yeah. So question 6 was wrong. That should have been 8.2 instead of 7.1.
Yeah.
What? How did that happen?
I don't know.
A minus.
So we got all of them right except for that one. Well. Do we skip a step or something? Or do we forget something?
I don't know, because like I was looking at the steps. I guess we can stop broadcast now. So we're gonna do that.